Today we're going to make our own homemade pizza dough from scratch. So I'm making this in my mixer, but you can make this by hand. In my stand mixer bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add my plain flour and then a teaspoon of sugar and salt. And then we're going to add our 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. So I'm going to mix that all about. Don't put your yeast on top of your sugar and your salt because you risk killing it. And then once I've mixed those all together, I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of light olive oil. I do go ahead and mix that together just to start to get that incorporated. And then of course I add my lukewarm water. So you want your water to be blood temperature. So if you put your finger into the water, you shouldn't feel that it's hot or cold. Then we're going to start our mixer and we're going to get that all nice and combined. And as long as your dough is not sticking to the bottom, you're good to start kneading. So we're going to knead this for 7 minutes until it's soft and smooth and stretchy. And then we're going to remove that. If you're kneading by hand, once it's soft and smooth and stretchy, you'll probably need to knead it for about 10 minutes by hand as opposed to 7 in the mixer. Give it a quick knead to make it into a ball, and then we're going to pour over some olive oil just so that we can get it rising. So I just put my olive oil into this little pancake batter dispenser, and then I can just drizzle it over whatever I need to. So we're then going to cover that up and allow it to rise until it's doubled in size. This took about an hour, and then we're going to gently pat that down, and we're going to divide it. Now, depending on how big your pizza pans are, I'm just using some baking trays, you're going to divide up that dough. I'm going to make 4 pizzas out of this. So 2 we're going to have tonight, and 2 I'm going to bake. And I'm going to bake the pizza bases, and then I'm going to freeze them for another time. So just with your rolling pin, you want to go ahead and roll that out. Now I'm going to roll it pretty thin. You can roll this as thick or thin as you like. Because it rises, you are going to get that nice base, and we like it to be thin and crispy. Then you're going to put that onto your baking tray. I pierce it with a fork so that it doesn't rise unevenly, and then I go ahead and pre-bake it for 10 minutes. Now, whether I'm using it on the same night or a different night, I always pre-bake it to make sure that my base is cooked, because no one wants a soggy base. Yeah. So we're just going to go ahead and put those in the oven for about 10 minutes to cook those through. And then here we have our pre-baked pizza base. So at this point, you can go ahead and top it with your favorite fillings, or you can wrap it in plastic wrap, throw it in your freezer, and use it whenever you want to make pizza for an easy weeknight or weekend meal. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you try this. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.